What if your ultimate master password was a unique cryptographic secret? Your passwords can be guessed. This secret cannot. Eliminate the single point of failure in your digital security strategy. Meet the Cryptosign keyless model. Step 1. Secure your kit. Start by purchasing your kit, featuring sleek cards in a premium presentation box. You buy a physical kit containing an absolutely unique secret. Because it is sealed and fulfilled randomly, we have no idea who you are, what you will secure, or which unique secret you received. Zero digital footprint. Step 2. Go 100% offline. Open our local tool, disconnect your phone or laptop from the internet, and scan your cards using your camera. Use the app to scan your cards and decrypt your master secret in a completely isolated environment. Step 3. Lock down your assets. Encrypt your wallets or documents with a single tap, sealing them with military-grade security. Step 4. Distribute and protect. Distribute among trusted family members, lawyer, or notary. Store your cards in separate secure locations for the ultimate peace of mind. Total security is that simple. Skeptical? We want you to test it. That is exactly why we launched the Starter PVC Kit. Prove to yourself that the tool runs entirely in your browser's memory for a fraction of the cost before securing your life savings with our titanium grade kits. Link in the comments, cryptosign.eu.